Also,
time question.
see, it is a question of the respect of the speaker's chair. That was the
सर बट अशें म्हणटा की सरकारी स्ट्रॅटेजी आसली की ह्या विशयाचेर
there is no strategy. Yes, strategy is only all these strategies, this thing and all these mindsets and all is coming from your side. There is nothing to do. And but can
Sir, heavy rain is going on smart city. The people are creating, a lot of people are.
What is that?
Smart भरपूर पडता sir.
I'm saying it is beyond our control. No, rain, we don't have a control over the rain. So what can we do about it? You are also facing the same hardship as I am facing. There's nothing.
बाटल्यातले रस्ते बीन सारखे सर हे जाल्यार तेचेर
आता कितें म्हणजे सगळेच रस्ते पाड पडलेले हांवें पळयलेले आहा. आतां कितें जालें रस्ते आतां पत्ते मातशे मोदे फोंडलेले सो पत्ते तांकां रिइन्स्टेट करून आतां पत्ते भायर सरलेले.
सो पण हे कितें काम सारकें करता हे कोण करता ते सारकें करना.
आतां तुका सांगलेलें आहा आतां काम आतां नित्य हें जालेलें आहा. So let that thing be complete. No? Once it is complete, then we will come to know. Now I understand the rain scheme. Now what is to be done? Work was not complete before the rain.
रिबांदार देखून लोकांनी थोडे ट्युरिस्ट व्हेकल्स आतां भायल्यान धाडच्यो बा म्हणून आतां मागणी केल्या. रिबांदार रोडाचेर रिबांदारच्या हायवे वयल्यान धाडच्यो बा म्हणून बिकॉज ते रस्ते पाड जाल्यार तांकां त्रास जाता बा म्हणून इंटरनल.
See that roads also actually were tarred. I think almost at the onset of the month. So that is one of the.
पावसान कोण रस्ते बागोता सर हांकां खबर ना आतां.
आता तुम्हीच लागला न्हू फाटल्यान केन्ना कंप्लीट जाता केन्ना
बस स्टँडा फुडल्यान
ते दामोर आता तरी काडपाक जाता न्हू कित्याक ते स्लिपर मागीर एक ब्रेक मारल्यार कोणी पडोंक शकता.
आता ह्या दिसांनी ह्यातले ते 3 दिसांनी सारके पावस चड येयलो सो दे वील डू इट.
इवन बस स्टँडा फुडल्यान द सेम सिच्युएशन होते
सगळे नॉट देर इवन हांव तालिगांव लागून पणजे सोड तालिगांव लागून तो सिच्युएशन
सो सगळ्याक वाट लागली. सो सगळ्याक वाट लागली. सगळ्याक वाट
लागलेली आता पळोवया जातलें.
डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टम जे प्ले करून जाल्यार ते सिस्टम
disaster management has got nothing to do as far as the road is concerned.
about rain sir.
No, disaster management is in place. Okay, disaster management, there is nothing wrong as far as the disaster management is concerned.
No, घरा पडटा
अरे घरां पडटा is nothing to do with the disaster management.
No, कितें म्हणटा की डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट ऑन ग्राउंड खंय दिसात ना म्हणटा.
अरे दिसना म्हणजे हूंय दिसपी वडोंक जाय. See, there are officers who are working. You may not, they are just behind the scene. You may not be able to see them. But there are people who work there. Now, wherever any houses and all have collapsed, there is a procedure what you got to follow. And we have basically even sanctioned money to the deputy collector. And it is the duty now of the deputy collector and the collector basically to disperse the funds.
तर तुम्ही रिव्ह्यू बी घेतले की त्यांच्यानी तो फंड यूज केला युटिलाइज केला काय करून.
Funds utilized that will come at the end of this thing. We have already given them the funds at their disposal.
सर एज फार एज लोकल विलेजीस आर कन्सर्न एंड ऑल डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट म्हणटा लोकांची घरां खूब जाणांची मोडलेली आसा आनी पंचायती कडेन आसा ते म्हणटा फकत अंडर डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट फकत 5,000 दिवंक मेवता आनी कांय ना. पूण तेजी घराचो व्हॅल्यू कितलोच आसता.
There is a procedure what you need to follow. You got to basically have an assessment of that. You got to report to the Talati. Then Talati will come and inspect your site for whatever damages is caused. Then there is a procedure, it goes to the Mamladar and does the valuation and all. Then the deputy collector basically takes
पूण ते तशें कांय करूंक येना सर. ते फकत म्हणटा 5,000 आनी कांय ना.
5,000 is an instant discount. तुवें पळयलें तुका कितें जालें जाल्यार तुका 5,000. Then rest it is if there is more damages and all then
वाय एम सेइंग लोकांनी तेणी डायरेक्ट पंचायतीन त्या लोकांक सांगलेलें आसा कोणाची घरां मोडलेलीं आसा की 5,000 वयर आमच्यानी आनी कांय करूंक जायना.
See what there is a different layer.
हय करेक्ट.
Each one has got different mode as far as sanctioning is concerned.
How many teams are there in disaster management?
See, north and south there are two teams. So both teams are working from the collective offices. Collective is the main thing as far as the disaster business. And rest all the other departments where fire and all the things is concerned is under the control of the collective.
Okay.
Thank you so much.